Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring Visual Studio 2022 has the WCF and web workloads installed. This gives you the templates and hosting components. Once done, create a new WCF service application using a compatible NET framework. This scaffolds SVC, service contract, and app. Config. Make sure to name the solution and set the IIS Express profile or local port now so routing and cores are predictable. This first step is about preparing the runtime and project skeleton, so subsequent configuration is straightforward and repeatable. Next, wire up the contract and implementation. Edit iService. CS for operations, then implement them in the service class. Once implemented, open app. Config to add or modify endpoints and choose an appropriate binding. Basic HTTP for interoperability, WS-HTTP for advanced WS* features. Make sure to enable metadata exchange and service behaviors so the WSDL is visible. This helps clients generate proxies. Also configure security mode and timeouts. You adjust these now because they affect client compatibility and debugging behavior later. Finally, build the solution and run it under IIS Express. Navigate to the SVC endpoint or append WSDL to verify the service exposes metadata. Once running, test operations with the WCF test client or a generated proxy so you can inspect requests and responses. Make sure to validate bindings and security headers during these tests. If something goes wrong, enable WCF tracing and message logging. Then check app. Config addresses, IIS Express port, and firewall rules. These checks usually reveal misconfigurations preventing successful calls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.